ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 24, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6. ಅಧೀತೇಷು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠಂ ಕಿಮಿತಿ ಪರಿಪೃಷ್ಟೇಥ ತನಯೇ ಭವದ್ಭಕ್ತಿಂ ವರ್ಯಾಂ ಅಭಿಗದತಿ ಪರ್ಯಾಕುಲಧೃತಿಃ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ರೋಷಿತ್ವಾ ಸಹಜಮತಿಃ ಅಸ್ಯೇತಿ ಅಭಿವಿದನ್ ವಧೋಪಾಯಾನಸ್ಮಿನ್ ವ್ಯತನುತ ಭವತ್ಪಾದಶರಣೇ. Word by word meaning. Adhiteshu, among what you have learned. Sreshtam kim, what is the best. Iti pariprishte, when asked thus. Tanaye, the son. Bhavat bhaktim, devotion to thee. Varyam, as the greatest. Abhigadati, saying. Atha, then. Saha Paryakuladhritihi, he Hiranyakashipu, becoming agitated. Gurubhyaha Roshitva, getting angry with the teachers. Iyam Asya Sahajamatihi, this is his natural inclination. Iti Abhividan, understanding thus. Bhavat Padasharane Asmin, him who had taken refuge at thy feet. Vadopayan, means of killing. Vyatanuta, planned. Full meaning. When the son was asked what was the best out of what he had learned, he answered that devotion to thee was the greatest. Then Hiranyakashipu became agitated and was angry with the teachers. But understanding that this was his son's natural inclination, he began to plan ways of killing him who had taken refuge at thy feet. Note: Prahlada's reply in the Bhagavata contained the 9 well-known modes of worship: Shravanam, Kirtanam, etc. See Bhagavata, Skanda 7, Chapter 5, verses 23 and 24. Om Tat Sat.